Hello and welcome back to the channel, Val Pals. Today we are doing a beginner makeup look using the Creme Hello Kitty collab. I'm just setting my base right now so we can start using the product.
I definitely want to be able to use this Hello Kitty lip gloss. So I think I got all 3 shades of the blushes. Very cute. It's definitely a very orangey number. Okay, just kidding. This is the orangey number, Peach Poof. Here's the difference. Very cute. And Strawberry Milk. These are the 3 blushes. Lip gloss. Okay, I'm gonna say right away, this is gonna work best. Okay, it's that time. I'm gonna use my Hello Kitty blush brush. I'm like a little scared on how much is gonna come off. Apply right here. This is definitely coming off very delicate. I like that. Sometimes with cream blushes, you'll like take a swig, take a swipe, and it comes off really, really strong and then you can't fix it. I would rather have product that comes off very light and delicate that you can like layer on. Oh, I love this so much. I do my chin. We're trying to give off the little wonton look. Okay, so sorry to the other blush colors. They're just not winning out today. I'm just gonna do my lips. Okay, I'm just gonna line it really fast with another liner. So I am accentuating my Cupid's bow. I'm bringing it up, lessening this gap right here. And we're gonna go in the corner. Okay, this is how the line looks right now. I'm gonna take an angled brush, angled shading brush, and blend this out. So notice how thick and dark this is, and when we blend this out, it's gonna look really natural. Perfect. This is just the base. This is what we're starting with. And I do want to swatch this lip gloss. I want to see how dark it is because this makeup look is usually 2 lip glosses. It's like a 2-toned. Well, I just blended it out, but you can definitely make this into a nice light pink. I think what I'm gonna do is put a almost clear lip gloss on first, and then put this on top. Okay. Just a slight amount on the lips. We want them to look glossy. And now we're gonna come in with our darker lip gloss. And first we're gonna put it on the inner corner. On the top. In the top, I usually have to like blend out. It feels very, very smooth. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is eye makeup. We've got the little Hello Kitty palette, but it's got like Millennium, Princess, Juicy, all these cuties. And I'm definitely wearing very pinky makeup. So I think I'm gonna make use of, I definitely wanna make use of Pop Star because I feel like that's the pinkest shade. Pop Star, Millennium, Princess. I think I'm gonna go for those three. I do my under eyes first. And right now, since this is the base, it doesn't really matter how we brush it. I'm just making sure my under eyes are completely covered. Beautiful, beautiful. Maybe I'll do a little bit more. Princess is the color that's got the little Hello Kitty indent, and it just like kills me. And I'm gonna put a little bit from the corner of my eyes and up. And when I do the corner of my eyes, I do always come back to the edge and brush inwards because I want this darkest spot with the pigment to be on the outer edge. Because I'm going to layer some colors and I want this inner corner to still be mostly my natural eye color. I bought this little pencil eyeliner that's in like a beige. And after that neutral color is here, I'm gonna draw a little aegyo cell. Obviously I am white, so I can't really get the biggest aegyo cell, but I just wanna add like a little puffiness. Just makes me look like a wee bit more youthful. And it adds a bit more dimension because we're gonna take a dark color and like go over it. It makes like a natural little line down here without us having to actually draw a line. You see like the slight difference? My eyes definitely look a little bit more youthful, a little bit more puffy. Cute, cute. Now, I'm taking that Millennium color, the dark purple. We were using Princess, now we're going to the dark purple. And we're not gonna apply a lot. First, we're gonna go the outer corners, drag it in. Only about halfway. Outer corner, drag it in. Beautiful. Do you see like how much dimension that added? Right now, because we've only done the bottom, our eyes look a little bit sunken down. I think it's still a cute look. I've done a lot of looks lately where I only focus on my bottom lid. It makes the middle of your face a bit shorter. And since I'm doing an eyeliner wing, I'm also taking that dark purple and dragging it in as well. The Millennium color. Outside corner, always start back at the outside corner and drag. Medium shader brush 2, it's another flat angled brush. And I wanna see how this princess color is gonna lay. I think this should be good. You can like barely see it. I think it'll be good. Perfect. Okay. Because of how this palette is pressed, I kind of like wiggle it around in there. Now I'm gonna do my inner lids. And just drag. Dragging definitely seems to just do the job. If you're working with bigger sparkles, sometimes just pressing down and doing that over and over again works. Okay. You've definitely got some sparkles going on in the inner corner. I think I'm gonna take some bigger silver shimmers and put it on my lower lid. And this inner lid. Ooh, you can definitely hear like the thunderstorm. Ugh, I'm doing all this makeup and getting ready to take PR photos, and I don't think that's gonna happen, if I'm being honest. We're gonna add liner, so don't even worry. Also, before we do that, I wanna add some sparkles to my lower. This is not part of the Hello Kitty collection, but it is Gigi Bear. It's like this purpley sparkles. I'm adding this to my lower lid. Just near the corners. I will say, out of this color sparkles from Gigi Bear and the silver ones, I love the silver ones more because they just show up better. The purple ones, I definitely apply like a lot more to get it to show up. Eyeliner. That's how we're looking so far. Let's curl these babies before we put on mascara. It is not in the budget for this month, and plus I already have blue eyes, but I did find a brand of color changing contacts that actually has a prescription as strong as my eyes. So I'm basically blind, and the prescription strength that I use is literally -6.5. Yeah, it's really bad. And for a while there, I was looking for colored contacts because everyone's using them and they're really cute. And plus I like that they make your eyes bigger. And for a while there, I couldn't find a brand that made them with a strong enough prescription. Like always, I only use mascara in the top corner. Bottom lashes. Also, this is one of the PR necklaces. It's so pretty. Now, if you're not a lash girly like me, I feel like you could leave it like this, just like finish off actually doing your mascara. But I'm a lash girly. My lashes are very, very short. I like my face better when I've got like a huge set. Grab my lashes. I reuse them for a week. I take them off at night. I remove the glue, and then I rewear them the next morning. Again, super strong hold. Oh my God. I literally have the Hello Kitty mascara right here, and I forgot to use it. Let's just double layer. Okay. This looks really cute, actually. This wand is very, very precise. I approve. Wand is very precise. Definitely got some lashes that my last mascara missed. Okay. I'm also a menace, and I just put my lashes on with my fingers. It is a little harder with longer nails, I will say. Lashes are on. But yeah, very prominent lashes. Give me more of a Barbie look. I feel like so dramatic lashes, they make my face look smaller. And I like that. And I do have a, okay, don't eat me alive. I feel like I have a decently long nose, and I feel like wide lashes kind of like bring my nose size down a little bit. Okay. I just need to fix. That is good enough for the blending. this is the final makeup look. And I'm obviously gonna do my bangs and finish my hair. I almost forgot. This setting and priming spray. I haven't even opened it yet. We are moist. Now to do my bangs. We're gonna cover up this forehead right here. This is the final look. Okay, thank you Val Pals for joining along with me to do my makeup, and hopefully you can do this too. If you end up trying this routine from me, definitely tag me, I want to see it too. And I will see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I'm gonna be here for a while.